So today we are taking a peek at what's inside the box. So I did order the GoPro Hero 12 Black. It actually literally just arrived to my doorstep. Of course, I came straight down to my studio and we're gonna unbox this guy just as she came. So strap in, let's unbox the GoPro Hero 12 Black. Alright guys, welcome back to GeekSmart, and today we are unboxing the GoPro Hero 12 Black, which I had the Hero 10 Black. I did not upgrade to the 11. I really did consider it, but at the time, just wasn't going to happen. In this case, I sold my Hero 10 Black to help pay for this, since I don't have an endless supply of money, unfortunately. I wish I did, but I am really looking forward to this. I do have a membership with GoPro, so I was able to get $100 off this. So that's the nice thing. If you are a member of their subscription, you pay your $50 per year, and you can get up to one camera per year, I think is how it works, and you get $100 off. So it's a hard thing to say no to. I'm going to throw that box down there. So this is the two things that I ordered. I did order a new set of batteries, so I actually let go my batteries with my Hero 10 Black. I figured, well, they're a little bit older anyway. And I bought the dual charger, the actual GoPro branded one, rather than the one I've actually been using for years. I let that go with my Hero 10 Black, and I actually really loved that charger. It was not a GoPro branded one, but we're going to try out the actual official one. This one should be great. Of course, the GoPro batteries, I've had the best luck with the branded GoPro batteries rather than the third-party Chinese batteries, so stick with that. So in this case, looks like we have a nice manila envelope that surrounds the camera. Doop, doop, doop. Protecting shipping, I guess. And we have the Hero 12 Black. Let's see if it's best. Yep, there it is. There's the pull tab down here. Pull that open. Doopy doopy doop. All right, definitely different packaging. Does not come with a protective case anymore, like the Hero 10 Black did. Oh, some stuff. There's the stickers. Incorporated it into the setup card, I guess is what you call it, or the quick setup card. And then questions and all sorts of legalese. So there's that, and of course, getting our first look at the new recycled content kind of speckled front of the Hero 12 Black, which, you know, actually looking at it in person, I kind of like. I like the more matte look, and the little blue specs kind of neat. Goes with the blue logo. USB-A to USB-C charging cable. We do still get the adhesive mount, quick mount, and of course the standard GoPro screw on up there. And then we have the battery, which essentially should be the same battery, I'm assuming, as the previous ones, just white now. So there we have that. And if you want to see this, I'll go ahead and open this one on camera too. No, there it is. It's also on the bottom. All right, so there's the dual charger. Two more of the Enduro batteries in the fancy white color. And then another USB-A to C GoPro charge cable. And that is it, other than quick setup guide, tips for cold weather, smart, all right. And then of course, product and safety instructions that nobody will ever read. Okay, so GoPro itself, paper sticker that's going on there. There's one. We have the lens, and we have the back. So just like before, we still have this, what I would say door that nobody likes. Obviously, memory card goes in there, battery goes in there. I can grab my memory card. You know what? I'm going to go grab my memory card from my previous camera. All right, so I got my microSD Extreme Plus card from SanDisk. I'm going to go ahead and put that in there. And Click, there we go. Yeah, this door, if you ever had it, so if you use the microphone kit that you can get on here, the actual like studio kit, this door pops off and then this will slide into the kit because it has to connect to that USB-C port. Wish they would just figure out a better way of doing it than this, because in all reality, most people will put this knob off to the side here and it's just a pain in the butt to get in this. So I started doing this the opposite way, actually using this over here so I can get into it easier without removing it from the mount. But I think I am going to actually change up how I use the mount. Rather than using the GoPro mount as much as possible, I want to get more quarter 20 accessories, because that's the big thing with this camera. Quarter 20 mount built in now, thank God. And of course, I do have an Insta360 X3 camera that I got recently to do some videos with, and everything with that is going to be quarter 20, so I'm going to kind of stick with the quarter 20 unless I'm doing something specific, because I don't have a ton of GoPro mounts, because every time I pick up a new camera, when I sell my previous camera, I usually let a whole bunch of my mounts go because I figure I'm going to try new things anyway. So there we go. Let's kick it on, I guess. Push and hold the power button, and it's going to do the standard setup, right? There you can see it, and there we are. So pick my language. Let me get in a better position. So I'm going to choose English. Legal stuff. I like how they do that. Accept. Do I want to have voice control? Sure, I'll turn that on. Why not? English language, yes, confirm. And then we have the quick app. So I'm going to get on my phone and get the quick app open. And here, let me get this over here with the quick app. If I can't get this maybe out of the light a little bit more. Maybe later, we don't need to shop right now. Let's go to GoPro. There's my 10 black. I still got to remove actually. And let's do that actually. Remove camera, remove. So I don't have one. Connect to GoPro. And connect camera. Hit pair. Hero 12 Black, I'm going to go ahead and just keep it as that. And now we're going to download firmware, and I'm just going to let it do its thing. I will be back. It usually takes a few minutes, and I'll be back. Let's see. Hit continue, connecting, join. But let it do its whole firmware update to make sure everything's up to date and get everything so it's good to go. So connect to your camera's Wi-Fi. Once it does that, here we go. There's the update. Hit continue, accept and continue. Almost done, don't go anywhere. It'll just take a few minutes, 2%. I'll be back. All right, update is finally complete. Now the big thing is obviously you want to make sure that your phone and everything doesn't turn off, but I didn't touch the phone other than I had one notification come through, and didn't have any problems with it staying connected and the screen staying on, because we want to make sure everything gets transferred right, and should automatically connect once it's fully back up and connects to the Bluetooth or Wi-Fi. So it just takes a minute sometimes. And there we go. Hit continue. And now we are connected to the cloud. Okay, great. Searching for Wi-Fi networks. Now I can actually connect it to my Wi-Fi. I'm going to go ahead and put my Wi-Fi password in. I'll be right back. Hit connect. Now, of course, you can tell the one thing that I didn't point out before is you want to make sure you have a decent amount of battery to do the update. I was a little low. I have 19% left, but obviously had no problems. Auto update is on. That's fine. Free up SD space with auto clear. I'll leave it off for now. Usually I like to keep it as backups if nothing else. And let's go. So now we are finally in here, and I want to see this for myself. Okay, so the big thing I want to do is I'm going to hit enable preview, so it should show what the camera is showing. And the one thing that you never could do for the last how long now is while you were, hit join, while you were recording a video, you couldn't see the preview, and it was annoying, really annoying. I actually used to use this feature before, but now the nice thing is it should, which you can see my live view, hit record, And I can see my live view while I'm recording. That's awesome. Ah, things that seem so simple and don't seem like a big deal can be a big deal. So that's that. That's the unboxing. Quick setup. It's not hard to set up a GoPro. And of course, once you link it to the phone and you just go through that thing, the time, the date, everything syncs up. Now, the big thing that is missing on this new Hero 12 is the GPS function. And I'll be honest, I rarely ever used it for what it was designed for. So like you'd put it on your bike and you could see your speed and all that stuff. And that's cool. It really is. I have used it before and I like having it. And I'm kind of mad they didn't include it built into the camera anymore. I think it's kind of stupid that you took away a feature that is maybe as many times as people didn't use it. I also like that it geotagged where I took my video and photo at. That is something that I use all the time. I actually use that every single day. I love geotag photos and videos, and seeing exactly where I took them is in all reality, to me, a big deal. So I am going to miss that. But that said, that's the unboxing setup of the Hero 12 Black. Setup is the same as any other Hero for the last little bit. Of course, it's been updated. And the big thing is the update took a little longer than maybe past updates I've done in the past, but not really. They take a while, and of course, if you're sitting there watching it while it does it, it feels forever. But that said, guys, thanks for watching to the end of the video. I will actually have more videos coming from this because I'm gonna do some accessory videos with this one. I am thinking about getting they make an accessory that you can remove this basically the GoPro ears with the 1/4-20 mount. Now you can remove this just 4 little Torx screws and replace it with a mount that does 1/4-20 GoPro mount. It also works with the DJI mount for their action camera, as well as I think it's an F22 or an F38 mount as well. I'm looking at that. I most likely will do it because I'd love to just standardize all of my cameras for their mounts. And GoPro, I like the mount for the GoPros, you know, the GoPro mount. However, it's depending on the accessory. So depending on how I want to mount it is whether or not I use that mount or the 1/4-20, or if I get that adapter plate the other way. So I wish GoPro would actually come up with a way to utilize, maybe still keep the accessories that you're using, but have a plate on the bottom that actually comes off magnetically like the DJI Action Cam does, because I think that's a fantastic mounting system. So thank you for watching to the end of this video. Like, comment, share, subscribe, share us, see us back here on a future video, and I will have reviews on my Tech Gooch channel as well. So thank you for watching to the end. We'll catch you back here on another future video setup, tutorial, whatever, unboxing. We'll see you soon.